Alright, my question of the day. Is it valve train noise, or is it dreaded lower end rod knock? And I've got to figure out where to start troubleshooting. First and foremost, my trusty 2002 Wrangler TJ, 4-liter straight 6, just shy of 257,000 on the ticker. My old faithful, and I have a worsening tick coming from underneath the hood, and I don't know whether to start up top or go down below. Let's see if we can hear this on the microphone. You hear that tick? It's about that speed, right? So I know that the valve train spins at half the rotational frequency as the crankshaft, and that's important. If I count out the number of beats per 15 seconds, let's say, I can do the math and tell you that I'm getting right about 280 beats or clicks every minute. If I look at my tach, I can tell you that the engine is spinning about twice that. Reason to believe it's spinning somewhere around 560 RPM at idle, which makes sense. Therefore, by counting out the number of beats per minute that I hear, I can isolate whether this clicking noise is coming from up top in the valve train, which is a lot easier if you ask me, or down below, somewhere in the crankshaft area. This is nice because this means I don't have to pull the oil pan and start screwing around with rod bearings. I'm going to start up top because I believe the math says this has to be a valve train issue. I hope this is helpful. What do you think? Let me know.